Do you need luggage tags? Let me show you this new set that I got that I'm very pleased with. I purchased the Starry Night design. They're quite large. Has a place for you to write your information, and then it has a magnetic strip that holds down, so somebody has to go a little extra mile to flip up to get your information. It also comes with 2 rings like this to put on there to secure on your luggage, and while those unscrew and I'm going to trust them, I'm also going to do something else on mine. But I'm quite pleased with the quality of these. They're large. It's going to make me easy to identify my luggage. To be honest, I can't even get these unscrewed to get them through there. And I happen to have some like this, so I'm going to actually use both of them. Because the last time I traveled, my luggage tag was broken off of my luggage. I was flying Southwest. And for extra security, I'm just going to put both of these through on my luggage. I'm quite happy. You open the luggage tags like this and remove the ID card, which has 2 sides in case you mess up one side. You slip it back in. Then once you put the rings through, the ID card is secured. It's not going to fall out. And then you have to flip it up to be able to see it. Seem like they'll hold up very well. It's nice stitching. The way these work, this scoots on that end, and then you screw it together like that. We had a hard time trying to figure them out. I'm going to thread it through here. Let's see. If I can get it tight enough. Okay, it feels pretty secure. So it goes on like that. One trick before putting it on, instead of making it like that, you need to have a little turning part so that it's on the very end of one. Thanks for watching my video about the luggage tags. Remember to check in the text below, and I'll provide a link so that you can purchase these. They have a wide variety of designs. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. And until we meet again, let's just help each other find solutions to problems. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thanks so much. Bye.